Hi guys, this is Venkatesh Lakshman and today we are going to touch upon the topic new education policy. So let's go to the topic. The new education policy has been widespread, like a talk of the town kind of a thing. It was in the May and the new education policy would be put into practice from the next academic year. That is what the Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal has said. So now let's touch upon what exactly this new education policy says. If you would agree with me or not, I don't know, but last 70 years after the independence, like almost 70-75 years have been passed after this independence of our country, and still we are somewhere influenced by the western way of education, western way of education system, and we still want to be slaves of a western or a European multinational company or an American multinational company, and we don't want to be self-sufficient. This new education policy is coming with more self-efficient way of learning, and more it gives more emphasis on a new way of learning, and a new craft-based education system has been implemented in this new education policy. So first of all, let's start with the schooling education. So a person after he becomes 3 years old, he can join the school, and the education, first it was 10+2 system, but now they have reformed it to 5+3+3+4 kind of a system. So first 3 years would be preschooling or Anganwadi, and the next two would be first year, second year, first standard, second standard, and it will go on like that. And the influence of mother tongue would be more in this new education policy, because the new education policy says that a person till his 6th grade or till his 8th grade, he should be taught in the medium of his own mother tongue. Suppose if the person's mother tongue is Tamil, then the medium of language should be Tamil till 6th standard or till 8th standard. And there will be one single body which would be governing the whole higher education system, that is the Higher Education Commission of India. It would govern the whole higher education, that is UG, PG, and the universities and things like that. And the government aims to phase out the government aims to phase out the affiliation of colleges in 15 years, like in forthcoming 15 years, and a stage-wise mechanism is to be established for granting graded autonomy to the colleges. That's a great move, and there would be flexibility in choosing the streams in the specialization. For example, we were choosing a science stream or commerce stream or humanity stream previously, but now a person would be able to choose a subject from science and a subject from commerce at the same time. So that is a new flexibility which is given in this new education policy. And in this new education policy, there won't be any dropouts. So if a person discontinues after the first year, he would be given a certificate that he has completed his first year. If a person dropouts after second year, then he would be given a diploma in the particular degree or the course which he was studying, and after 3 years he would be given the bachelor's degree or any course which he has studied. This will not be applicable for medical studies and for legal studies. Except this, every other stream would have this kind of approach. So craft-based education system. So craft-based education system has a lot of emphasis in this education policy, because in the sixth grade, from the sixth grade itself, a person should learn with his curriculum. A person should learn a craft-based education, a craft-based subject. For example, carpentering, or maybe art, or any sort of art, music, dance, or something. If suppose he fails in his curriculum, or if he is not up to that mark in his curriculum, he would be able to shine in the craft based subject which he is learning or which he is specializing in. So this would make people more self-sufficient and self-employed, and this may increase the number of entrepreneurs in this country. So we don't talk about entrepreneurship and entrepreneurs coming up and establishing themselves in our country. We mostly emphasize on joining an MNC, or having a good package, or getting a government job. So this education policy is emphasizing more on self-employment and self-specializations. So with this, I am concluding my video. Just put your own thoughts and put your own opinions in the comment section. I would be reading it, and please suggest any topics if you want to. If you want any topics to be delivered by me in the forthcoming videos. So please give your suggestion of topics in the comment box. I would definitely read it, and I would definitely make a video on them. And if you like this video, please share with your mates, share with your friends, share with your family members, and if you like the video, please like and share with your colleagues as well. And if you like the way I'm presenting, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Goodbye.